Alrighty, happy Friday afternoon. Your full weather forecast brought to you by Scott's Recreation, New England's largest trailer dealer, home and Maine's lowest camper and tractor prices, with locations in Turner, Manchester, Herman, and Orono, Maine. Here we go. So we do have winter storm warnings in effect and also winter storm watches that are also in effect as well. Both of these will be lasting for a while. Sunday morning at 1 a.m. for the winter storm warning for some areas. We'll pull this map over to a few spots, and that's kind of the general idea that we're seeing with winter storm watches further off toward the north. At any point, we'll see this getting upgraded to winter storm warnings, while further down toward the south, here we go. We do have winter weather advisories further down toward the south until Saturday morning for some areas, with the gale warnings also lasting until about Saturday evening in general because of the gusty winds. And the winter weather advisory because of some wet snow, but mixing in with some rain in a few areas. So here we go. So we do have the clouds moving in. There's all the activity further off towards the south and west. It is moving in our direction. So later this afternoon, this will move in, and travel will be a mess at times because some of the snow may get heavy and it will blow around as well, which will make things very tough to see from time to time. So if you're traveling, you have until later this afternoon to the evening time frame before things get a little tricky in a few areas. So futurecast moving forward, increasing precipitation later on this afternoon to the evening time frame. And there's that mix line right there. So some areas will see some rain. Other areas will see that wintry mix and a little bit of snow as well, with heavy snow along the north of Bangor in a few areas. So significant accumulations possible in a few areas. And we'll keep the snow going through parts of Saturday evening as well. And even in parts of Sunday morning, although further out towards the north and east and a little bit to the east in general, we'll see a little bit more of that snow in general. But here we go. So how much snow can we see? We'll run this all the way through the weekend. And some areas can see around 4 to 9 inches of snow close to the Bangor area before we're all finished up. Significantly lesser amounts further down toward the coast. And this might be a bit aggressive, though. I'm not sure. I doubt we'll see 15 inches of snow in Millinocket, but close to a foot cannot be ruled out in a few areas before we're all finished up there. As for gusty winds, reaching up to around 30, maybe 40 miles per hour in a few areas as the system continues to move in, especially along the coast, gusts up to 30 on land. And we'll keep that rolling, especially as we head towards Saturday as well with the system that will be moving through. Your forecast for it today, here we go. Afternoon snow showers, maybe a wintry mix further down toward the coast, highs in the mid-30s. With that northeast wind getting up to about 25 miles per hour. Tonight, lower 30s, snow likely, some blowing snow expected. That northeast wind gusting up to about 30 miles per hour. And for tomorrow, 35 degrees, rain and snow likely, with that northeast wind getting up to about 25 miles per hour at times. Scott's Recreation extended forecast. So here we go. The precipitation continues through Monday with highs in the mid-30s. We finally dry out on Tuesday with a partly cloudy sky and highs in the mid-30s.